Okay, hello everyone. How are you? This is Kay. Good to see you. Hold on, it's a bit dark. Let me turn on the light. Okay. All right, how are you everyone? Good to see you. I'm sorry, I just came back. So the live stream today is a bit delayed, but I hope you're having a great day today. And before I start, I'm expecting a call, one phone call, and until I receive that message, I will be doing the live stream. So let's see how far I can go. And one more announcement is that today I announced on this YouTube community. So when you come to my YouTube, this is my YouTube YouTube site, and if you click on the community here, then I announce something related to my YouTube or my service. So today I posted that I have released free KTS lesson, but as it turns out, looks like the system is not working well. I tried myself. When I created, then it worked. But yeah, actually, after that, after I came back and checked, now it's not working. So I have to fix it. And once I fix it, then I will officially let you know again here on YouTube community or on one of these videos or live streams that this is officially launched. So please wait for the update. I'm sorry about this technical issue. Since this is free access, it's not really something complicated, but still the system is not working. So let me fix it and officially launch it. Right. Yeah, Danielle, that's right. Yeah, so looks like it's not working, but I will fix it, don't worry. So this is basically the idea to learn the overall structure of my own strategy called KTS, K's trading strategy, which covers the concept of my strategy and also higher and mid time frame and lower time frame entry and exit and stop loss, risk management, and some psychology points. I didn't really go into details on this video lesson, but after you finish this free course, free lesson, then join my YouTube, then I think you will have better understanding of how I explain the markets. And also, I'm thinking to release another lesson, Ichimoku Basic lesson also. So that's also coming up anytime soon. Since I have been doing YouTube for the last 4 years, almost 4 years, and I have so many videos, and every year, my analysis, the way I look at the markets a bit change, because I update and the markets are different. So as I adapt to the market conditions, I change a little bit the way I look at the markets, the way I take entry and exits. So I have so many videos already, but if you join this KTS free lesson or any lessons, any free lessons in the future, then you don't have to look for which video, which archive to check first. So that's basically the idea to create these free lessons. So I'm doing also free lessons on price action and Ichimoku and KTS. And if you want to learn deeper, then you are always welcome to join the KTS Academy or the GTS classes. So anyways, yeah, I will fix the issue and I will officially announce it. So please wait for my update. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for joining today. Good to see you. Let me say hi to everyone quickly. All right, Danielle from Pakistan, good to see you. Thank you for joining. All right, Ichimoku trading strategy on M15. Well, basically Ichimoku is for higher time frames, but yeah, you can technically use some of the Ichimoku confirmations like Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross, and Chikou span breakout, Kumo breakout on M15. Although there are more fakes in a lower time frame for Ichimoku, with the price actions, it's possible. Okay, hello Nadim, good to see you. Thanks for joining. And Y, good to see you too. All right. Adam says, is it possible for you to show an account with the equity curve that represents a status you show in Excel? You are very trustworthy, but account quality equity curve would be undeniable. Sure, yes, I can share that. Yeah, basically I track my own records, my spreadsheet, because that's always what I want to share in terms of the profit factor and the drawdowns and how I take 2 entries and 2 exits and 2 stop losses, and I take all the screenshots. So yeah, that's basically what I share in this YouTube channel. Okay, hello Dinesh, good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right. And Y says, if you have 2 pairs, the one is trending in 4-hour time frame and the other one is trending in the daily time frame, which Ichimoku Kumo? With the Ichimoku Kumo. Right, that's a definition of the trend. Yes, and the question is how to choose the market. Or how to choose the market, you can actually choose, depends on the Kumo thickness, and also in terms of the price action too. So actually there's not only one criteria that I usually focus and look at when it comes to looking for the best market to enter trade. I also check the lower time frame situations and select which one would be the best to trade. So yeah, but I think if you're new to Ichimoku, then I think the first thing you have to check is the Kumo thickness. Just choose the pair which has the thickest Kumo, because that shows the more stable trends. Okay, hello, Adam says, do you have any interviews with students who have become full-time traders? No, I don't. Well, actually, some of them passed FTMO challenges on the interviews, but yeah, I don't have the full-time traders interviews. Yeah, okay. Sadiman, good to see you. Thanks for joining from Jakarta. And Trav, good to see you. Spoon, thanks for joining as well. Good to see you. All right. Ian says, how many profitable months does it take until you can consider yourself consistently profitable? I've had 3 profitable months and feel pleased, but don't know if it's just a luck. 3 months is, I think, a good benchmark in terms of consistency, consistently profitable. But you have to really look back the 3 months, and if you think it's just a luck, that means there are basically lots of trending markets maybe, and that's why you're able to make profits. But even if there are no trends or less trends among the markets in 1 month, you should be able to make at least some profits. And if there are big trends in the months, then of course you can earn bigger profits. But it's better to check the performance in terms of the risk and the reward ratio, which I call it as a PF, profit factor, which is gross profit divided by the gross loss. And if it's more than 3 over 3 months, I think that's a good start. Then if you can achieve it for 3 months to 6 months, I think that would be the best. Then I'm sure you can be more confident on your performance. And also, you mentioned 3 profitable months, but it depends on how many trades you took. If you took only 1-2 trades every month for the last 3 months, then it's not really giving you confidence. So at least if you took 5-6 trades per month being very selective on which one to trade and achieve that performance, I think that's more confirming. Okay. Hello, Sandeep. Good to see you. Thanks for joining. Vic, good to see you too. Thanks for joining as well. Okay, he says how to start Forex trade and how to learn is too risky. Can I earn a lot of money out of it? Please advise. So basically, you have so many things you better learn when it comes to trading. You have to know, basically, I think before you study Ichimoku, it's better to always study price action, basic price action, the candlestick patterns, because it's all the basics base of all the indicators, including Ichimoku. So learn the price action, and also on top of that, you learn Ichimoku through my YouTube, and also the risk management. Definitely, you cannot keep losing. You cannot keep losing big also. So it's better to keep your risk smaller, and you have to learn how to maintain the small drawdowns per trade. Okay, so and the second question, can I earn a lot of money out of it? So my answer is money is, I think, the byproduct of discipline. So if you keep disciplined in terms of your risk management and also in terms of your strategy based on rules, then money comes, money follows, the profit follows. But if you only chase profit without strategies, without risk management, then it doesn't work. So you have to really be, you have to really be careful in that sense. We're here to make profits, and that's why you learn how to trade, and that's why you join my YouTube channel, eventually to make profits. But before that, you really have to check this, get this, risk management. Okay, so yeah, today let me share one of the markets because most likely I'm expecting a call in about 10 minutes. So let me quickly show my analysis on one of these markets. So let's see. So this week, the Forex pairs are quiet in terms of my strategy. They are more of the ranging market. But I'm watching Euro JPY because one thing that's significant here is that the Kijun Sen is out of the Kumo. This is 4-hour time frame. And when Kijun Sen is out of the Kumo, this means that the market is really bullish. So Kijun Sen is the base of the 5 lines of Ichimoku. So Kijun Sen is, Kijun means base or standard in Japanese. So it's really the backbone of all the 5 lines of Ichimoku. So Kijun Sen angle up, that means it's bullish in the midterm. And the Kijun Sen out of the Kumo means that it's also bullish and it's confirmed. So, and also this is where the price action or the other basics of the analysis becomes important, is that the market broke the previous resistance also. And the Kumo also is getting thicker and bigger, so that's also another good confirmation that it's bullish. And after the resistance breakout, there was a big bar appeared. So yeah, basically all the JPY pairs are bullish, but Euro JPY I think is one of the good pairs to trade this week. And the target is now up to 171.59 or 60. So because it's the swing high from the 29th of April. So most likely the price goes up to that level in this case. So yeah, Euro JPY Kijun Sen is out of the Kumo, so I think it's bullish continuously. And you can keep holding the trade until it breaks the Tenkan Sen. So that's one. And yeah, Euro AUD, I'm monitoring the chart, but it's not really going up. So I'm still waiting for the breakout of the Kumo and the resistances. Let's see. Yeah, Pound JPY is bullish also, but if you look at the Kijun Sen, it's still within the Kumo. Tenkan Sen also within the Kumo, so the momentum is weaker than Euro JPY. So this one is not really, if I were to trade, I don't choose Pound JPY in this case. And Kumo is smaller than Euro JPY. If you remember the Kumo shape like this in Kumo size of this Pound JPY, and if you switch it to Euro JPY, the Kumo shape is bigger on Euro JPY. So because it has been stably bullish more than Pound JPY, so both are trending bullish, but so far for me, Euro JPY is the best. So this is one of the examples of how I choose the market to trade. Let's see. Euro JPY is bullish and it's about to break the Kijun Sen is about to break the Kumo. So that's what I'm waiting for. Once it breaks it, I look for buying opportunities. And let's see. Because daily chart is basically all range, I check the 4-hour time frame. AUD-JPY is also nicely bullish, just like Euro-JPY, because the Kijun Sen is above the Kumo. So that's also very important. And Kumo is bigger, just like Euro-JPY. Euro-JPY's Kumo is like this big, and AUD-JPY Kumo is like this. So they are identical. So AUD-JPY and Euro-JPY are trending nicely this week than the other JPY pairs. And CAD-JPY is bullish also, but here Kijun Sen is below the Senko Span B. So it's not really a good sign. And Swiss franc JPY is also nice. It's bullish. Kijun Sen out of the Kumo. So this is also one of the good JPY pairs. So this is one of the examples of how I select which market to trade from Kijun Sen perspective. And let's see. Let me check some other markets. Because I trade also gold. Gold, the daily chart is now completely ranging, and there was a Tenkan Kijun Sen dead cross, and Chikou span is now touching. So this means that this is now completely range. So from the daily perspective, there's no direction. And 4-hour time frame also shows no direction because the Kumo Senko span A is sloping down. So there was a reversal. Previous resistance became support. So looks like this is going to be a new N wave. And also there was dojis and also inside bar breakout just happened right now. So looks like this is becoming a new N wave. But from Ichimoku perspective, it's range still because of, again, the Senko span A is retracing. So the price could go down anytime soon. I mean anytime. So for now, based on this previous resistance became support confirmation, you could also buy. But for me, I prefer to wait for Ichimoku confirmation. So I wait for the Kijun Sen continue to be bullish, and Tenkan Sen points up, and Senko span A goes up, and I look for buying opportunities when that happens. Until that situation happens, I think the market becomes choppy or retrace. So I think still it's a bit risky to trade. So that's gold, XAUUSD. And let's see. So yeah, coming back to Forex, I think JPY pairs, again, Euro JPY, and also AUD JPY and Swiss franc JPY are nicely trending markets. Okay, yeah, so that's my analysis overall. Okay, let me check Bitcoin, BTC USD. I have 5 more minutes to go. Daily time frame shows still the market is resisted by the descending trend line. So to me, it's bearish. It's bearish. Just like I said on Sunday's weekly forecast, this one's still bullish. Sorry, bearish, downtrend. From this trend line perspective, from Ichimoku perspective, it's range. So that means the buyers and sellers are 50-50. So there's not much of the trends right now. I think the market continues sideways, and even if it breaks the descending trend line, the market may continue range. So yeah, for now, if this were Forex, I don't trade cryptos, but if this were Forex, I wouldn't trade. I wait for the first descending trend line to break bullish and see how it plays out. I mean, if 4 hour is bullish, then I will enter trade to buy. But so far it's range, but rather bearish based on this descending trend line perspective. So that's the analysis. Yeah, okay, so that's an overview. So yeah, so that was a bit of a quick live stream, but I have to go now, so I will finish the live for today. But thank you for joining, everyone, and it was nice seeing you, seeing your comments too. And also, again, today I was going to release this free KTS lesson just to get an overview of my strategy, but the system didn't work. So when I fix it, I will officially post it here again under community on my YouTube. So please wait for the new updates. Okay, and tomorrow I will be flying. I will be flying out of Dubai. So from tomorrow, I think I will be posting the videos, but I will bring laptop and one extra monitor. So whenever I have time, I do live streams, but the schedule may be not fixed. Whenever I have time at the hotel, I do the live stream. So please wait for me too. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you have a great week this week. And until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Okay, bye for now, everyone. Mata ne. Thank you very much.